This homemade chicken burger beats restaurant burgers, and I can prove it. 300 g chicken mince, half a teaspoon salt, half a teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon garlic paste, half a teaspoon red chili flakes, 1 teaspoon soy sauce, 1 egg, 3 tablespoons breadcrumbs, 2 tablespoons oil, 2 burger buns, 2 tablespoons mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon ketchup, 2 lettuce leaves, for tomato slices, 2 cheese slices. In a bowl, add 300 g chicken mince. Add half a teaspoon salt plus half a teaspoon black pepper. Mix in 1 teaspoon garlic paste plus half a teaspoon chili flakes. Add 1 teaspoon soy sauce plus 1 egg, mix well. Add 3 tablespoons breadcrumbs. Combine until soft mixture forms. Shape into 2 thick patties. Don't press too hard. Keeps them juicy. Heat pan, add 2 tablespoons oil. Cook patties on medium heat 4 to 5 minutes each side until golden and juicy inside. In a small bowl, mix 2 tablespoons mayo plus 1 tablespoon ketchup. Lightly toast buns for 1 minute. Take the bottom bun and spread 1 tablespoon sauce evenly. Place 1 lettuce leaf on top of the sauce. Add the hot, juicy chicken patty. Immediately place 1 cheese slice on the patty so it melts. Add 2 tomato slices over the cheese. Spread a little sauce, half a tablespoon, on the top bun. Close the burger with the top bun gently. That's it. Be honest. Homemade or restaurant? Comment home or out.